What's up, guys? Hidar here with another plugin review. We're gonna do a review on Cerbes. This is like a triple pedal plugin. Check this out.
Everything is never as it seems.
This is reverb.
I like to make myself believe that planet Earth slowly turns to light. Cause everything is never as it seems.
There's more to this pedal, like check this out. This also has like more, this has presets on it apparently, but then you can also like, there's like a tuner on here.
I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep. Cause everything is never as it seems.
Barbecue to start. But until then, just gonna work on the review for this plugin. You have EQ options here. This is like $9 on the App Store. Damn, about like $10 on the App Store. They have this new plugin called Banshee, which I'm gonna look into eventually. Just play your music blast. Whatever, that's the end of this video.
I like to make myself believe that planet Earth
It's hard to say that I'd rather stay
awake. Cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet it's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake.
This will sound pretty good.
I like to make myself it's hard to say that I stay away when I'm sick. Cause everything is never as it seems.
VHS. It's the same concept.
I like to make myself slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay away when I'm sick. Cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. Everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I like to make myself